So today we're washing and Deltona. And so long, I haven't been a YouTuber, so this is my third video that I have been doing, and everybody subscribed it, and I have 2019 likes. And I'm good with that because I have a whole bunch. And I got so I had money. Cause I have money, come on. I'm so glad. Yes. I'm so glad that I have money. Earrings and so on. So I've been trying to tell you guys that like, have you guys did the the 2-3 tongue challenge? Today that's what I'm gonna be doing, and I gotta talk to you. Move. Yeah, but then it came off. So for so long, I'm gonna show you how to do the 2 tongue. I don't know how to do the 3 tongue because it's so hard. Like, look, I can halfway do a little 3 tongue. Look. I'm gonna show you the 2 tongue.
Still nervous about buying a house? A little. But I could de-stress with some of the city.
So that's how I can do the 3 tongue in the back. Washing machine. I like the wash machine. As you noticed, this is my baby brother. He's a YouTuber also. Here's my mama. She's a YouTuber also. I don't know my dad. He's at work. I'm so glad when he comes pick me up. I'm gonna be in the pool, and I'm gonna be showing you guys. Okay, let's scratch it. I'm gonna be showing you guys when I'm in the pool on my dad's phone because my mom is gonna be leaving out, and I'm gonna have so much fun because it's gonna be fantastic. Right now we're washing, and I got my Minnie Mouse purse ready to go. And I had ate all of my Sour Patches. I just ate all of my Sour Patches, and they're so delicious. I had to, but then I have $101. My dad, no line, no. But I'm not lying because my dad has 60. My nana gave me 25. My mom gave me $26. And my auntie gave me $30. My grandma gave me 10. My uncle, he gave me $60. And I'm so happy because I left $101, and I'm so excited because I'm gonna be wasting all the money today. Not like today, like on a game. But on the computers, I play like tic-tac-toe and all that other things. because it's like a fantastical art. And I but right here, I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna leave my camera behind. I'm so fantastic. As I was saying, there in the snack machine, there is Lala. Yeah.